Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to manage or remove supervision on Google Family Link for parents. All right, let's begin. When you set up Family Link, your child's Google account is placed under supervision. This gives you control over their device usage, app permissions, and account settings. However, there may be times when you want to adjust or even remove this supervision. To manage supervision, open the Family Link app on your phone and select your child's account. If you want to remove supervision, tap your child's profile in Family Link and go to Account Settings. There you will see the option to stop supervision. For children under 13, this may require deleting their account entirely. For teens over 13, you can transfer control of their account so they are no longer managed through Family Link. So that's basically how you can manage or remove supervision on Google Family Link as a parent. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.